surprised that's not you, Chandler.
He's gonna do the dirty cowboy.
No, if this kid doesn't, he'll do it. I'm telling you, Chad has no fear of heights. He used to scare me to death.
Oh man, I didn't see that one up there in the tree. I was looking at the other one up here on the back.
That's what we're talking about, bro. What do you think we're talking about?
Yeah,
yeah, that's higher.
He's working for tips. Propinas.
Vamos! Holy shit!
Wow.
Oh, he's like, yeah, eat that, white boy, eat that, white boy, eat that.
Give him a beer.
Hey, come on, Craig. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Represent for the white boys.
Oh, cool.